What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Jose out and about in the real world doing a vlog. I'm not sure what number vlog this is. We don't do very many vlogs here on the channel, but I wanted to test out the footage here on the brand new Sony ZV-1. I already made a first impressions unboxing video, which you can see here or here. And now we're doing a real world vlogging style video to see just how exactly the footage looks and how the microphones sound. I'm doing everything with the built-in microphones that are on the ZV-1. I do have the little attachment that it came with, the little mini dead cat windscreen that you can put in the hot shoe, and it covers over the microphone. I'm shooting on picture profile number 10, shooting 4K, 24 frames per second, ISO 200, 1.8 aperture, 1/50th of a second. So trying to get that good looking cinematic looking footage. And I'm shooting right now in the parking lot of one of my local tire shops, getting some work done on my wife's car and looking at some tires for Cortana, the Blue Beast truck. It's a Toyota Tundra. And overall, I just wanted to see how everything sounds. We're inside the cabin of the truck, obviously. No mics other than the onboard mic. So you're now able to see the overall, what everything looks like as I'm vlogging with this particular lens, 1.8 to 2.8. It's supposed to be a 24-70. When you do vlogging and when you do hit record, usually it will crop in. But I just wanted to show you the field of view that you get while vlogging. I don't have a wide angle attachment lens that a lot of vloggers and a lot of YouTubers are showing. I don't have that. Basically what I have right now is the way the camera comes right out of the box with a few adjustments done in settings. I have the Vloggy selfie stick Bluetooth grip. It's not really a stick because it doesn't extend, but the little vlogging grip that I also showed you in the unboxing video. And yeah, I just hit record on the remote control little stick here and started shooting, started talking directly into the camera. So this is the kind of footage you can expect to get. Slight color grading because since I am shooting in picture profile number 10, it is HLG color space and color codec. So I'm going to have to grade it because it does look a little flat, but I think it looks great. I think the overall dynamic range and just overall details you're capturing with this little camera are pretty incredible for the price. Again, the camera and the kit come out to about $825 and $830, and then plus tax, I paid about $850 with taxes and everything included here at my local camera shop. Again, shout out to Camera Exchange here in San Antonio, Texas. And I just wanted to give you kind of a glimpse as to what kind of footage you can get, looking around, looking how everything looks. I see my wife's car from here. But yeah, just wanted to give you a quick little showing of what footage you can expect to get out here, real world conditions. It is, let me check my watch. It is 98 degrees. We have full sun, not a cloud really in the sky. There are a few like really thin clouds, but other than that, it is a no cloud kind of day, full sun. The Saharan dust is in full effect, so it does look a little misty out there. Kind of looks like a very thin fog is covering the city. But yeah, so this is the kind of footage you can expect to get right out of the box. Really nothing special done, just a few tweaks in the settings. Autofocus is set to fast, smooth autofocus. To me, everything looks great. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon. And again, stay tuned because we'll be doing some more videos with the Sony ZV-1. See how great the cinematic footage coming out of this camera can get with some pretty decent color grading and some amazing shots. So stay tuned and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.